10 and CNC. And the problem we have is when we're cutting Kanban cards, it tells you the program is 51043. So we go in here, find 51043, use 50075. So we got to put find order 50075. Click it. No, you got to find 50234. And then you got to go in, do it again. And now you're on the right thing for the large lab boxes. So the solution is I've changed this Kanban card to add a bright note, CNC note, run program 50234. So the next time we cut this card, we're just going to type in 50234 and we're on our way. Just like that.